Hello guys, I am Siddharth and welcome to my channel The Technical GSR. So today I am going to show you something really awesome. Nowadays the screens of the phones are getting longer and more longer and making it difficult for the top part of the screen to reach. So I'll show you like this. As you can see my touch on the screen, it's difficult for me to reach the top part of the screen. As you can see, you might have noticed how much time it took me to reach the top part of the screen. So there are some solutions like cursor, the reachable cursor. I'll install it, and for the browser, the Google has introduced the Google flags, but I'll show you with the KIWI browser. You need to install the KIWI browser. I have already installed it, so I'm directly getting started. I have opened the KIWI browser and I'm going into the settings and accessibility and then the bottom toolbar. Restart now. As you can see, the toolbar has come to the bottom part of the screen, and there are many extensions available like horizontal toolbar, tab groups, and many like the left arrow, the right arrow. Oh, this is the undo and this is the redo. As I have not undone anything, now this is redo, this is undo, and you have the hand option in the toolbar, which is a bit similar to the 3D touch in the iPhone, like this. It makes it easy to the top part of the screen to reach. You might have noticed that I am not getting any ads from the starting of the video because I have enabled hide annoying ads option in the KIWI browser, where hides ads like the Oppo, Vivo phones ads and many other ads like the Hootsuite, Hoot and many so. It hides all the Google ads and many other ads. And I have already installed some extensions. As you can see it, see the recent apps option, which was from up to down, has become left to right. It's a bit similar to the Android by recent apps option, and you can see something from here and type something over here. And the most attractive part of the KIWI launcher is the, where is it, night mode. Turn on night mode. It's really attractive, and it also saves your battery as the background is black, and it does not stress on your eyes, and it's really very smooth. There are many extensions available in it. Okay, if you want the same thing in the Google Chrome, then go to the Google flag, search for duet and enable the Google duet. Okay, I'll show you the reachable cursor. You must accept all the permissions, like where is it, reachable cursor, turn it on. The accessibility permissions, continue. Okay, here are some tips. Okay, like now I am in the Play Store, suppose, and it becomes difficult for me to reach the search bar, right? Then I have the reachable cursor over here. No, the search bar. Now I can type something like Instagram, Facebook, Instagram, Instagram. And now again I want to search something like Termux. Okay, one click will help. And this one, it's really smooth to use, right? Okay then, thank you guys. Please like my video, share it, and drop a comment in the comment box for sure, and break the subscribe button. The target of this video is just 1000 likes. I hope you can complete it easily.